Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to download Animoto. Animoto is a beginner-friendly video editing app that helps you create slideshows, reels and simple videos using photos, clips, music and templates. If you want to download Animoto, you need to follow these steps based on your device. So first you need to unlock your phone and you need to go to the App Store. And over here on the bottom we can see there's a search bar. You need to tap on the search bar at the bottom and you need to type Animoto and search for it. And over here you need to look for the official app called Animoto Video Maker. And after you find that, you can select over there, and what you have to do is you need to tap on the get and confirm using Face ID, Touch ID or Apple ID password and wait a few seconds for the app to download and install, and once done tap open for launch Animoto. And make sure you stay connected to the internet while using Animoto so your work saves properly. You can also upgrade later if you want more features, but the free version is great for learning and basic video creation. And this is how you can download your Animoto app. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and if you have any trouble or confusion downloading Animoto, please comment down below and we will reach out to you very soon.